Hello.
Hello.
I know you feel like you want me, and I guess in a way you do. Holding my breath, unraveling emotions. I need some space to think this through. Call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I need.
To San Juan, Puerto Rico. And where are we right now?
Rainforest.
We're here at the rainforest.
I know Indian they were. And for them, we live there, some of the mountains, very cloudy there. So we call it Yunque, what will be city of the clouds. The Spaniards that came here didn't know the language of the Indian, so they misspelled the word for Yunque is an animal. So when you will still see. Alright, I found another one. These snails are everywhere here, and they get to grow more higher. More bigger. Okay. I tell you, everything that I find, I will catch it for you. I will try to find a coquí. Remember the coquí? That's very hard to find.
Poison ivy. If you touch, you get a rush. If you hate anyone, you push them into the bushes. Huh? No, I told him.
She already did it.
Really?
If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I promise, now's not the right time. And I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. Look away so you won't see. Cause the pain is in my.
Okay, you go first.
Ready?
Uh-huh. Wow. Let's see, way over there, they look better. What type of fish are these? Chops. Chops? Chops. Do we eat them? No, I don't think they're too tiny. Wow. Ooh.
I'm sure I know.
These are actually gold sand. This is the Native American Indian makeup. They use these rugs to paint their faces. Interesting.
There you go. There's your dinosaur.
Oh,
Look
so
at
cute. He's mad?
Yeah.
How can you tell?
Yeah. You're here. You see how he looked at me? I knew when you saw it.
Yokaku Tower. This is their observatory tower, and it contains about 97 stairs, I guess, about 100, less than 100. So right now we're gonna try walk up to that thing. It's really nice. And you can also see San Juan, Puerto Rico right here. I'm gonna go to the top.
95 steps.
95? 95 steps.
Hello.
Like and subscribe.
You have to hold it farther back.
I can't hold it farther back. We found that.
I would rather lie. I would rather lie. I would rather lie.
La Coca. La Coca Falls. La Coca Falls is really. Hey guys, we're now walking to the waterfall. La Coca. I look funny, right? I have my rainforest specialized hat.
Yeah, little feet. I know. Heck no. I'm not stupid. Take a picture of it.
Sorry, Charlie. Okay.
Knock knock.
BJ Wong.
If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And before you go, make sure you subscribe to my channel and ring the bell for notifications for future videos. Thumbs up and subscribe. Check out my new other travel vlogs. Bye.
Call me all night.